I rescued this 80s vintage computer from a garage in Melbourne, Australia. I don't know what it is or any of its specifications, so now it's time to open it up and see what we've got. The backplate comes off easily, and as you can see, there's 35 years worth of dirt and grime there. The case lid is really difficult to get off, and it's dirty inside. There's a huge board down the middle connected to an expansion board. It all looks in great condition. Those Sanyo batteries appear to be hardwired, so they'll definitely need replacing sooner rather than later. It's great that they have not leaked. Now I'll give the cords a wipe down and a blowout with some compressed air. This is the model number of the hard disk, so I'll look that one up too. I've also found a piece of dislodged plastic. The Siemens chip is an Intel 8088 compatible processor manufactured under license by Siemens. The 8088 was used in those early IBM PCs in the 80s. It's got a clock speed of about 4.77 megahertz, so we'll see what happens here with this particular computer. These two chips here are part of memory and I/O controllers. I found an Epson support notice showing that there's a file creation error on this system, and the clock speed is running at 10 megahertz. So now we know it's an XT, and it's a very uncommon XT as well. This is a very interesting computer with a magnificent case. This is one that is definitely a keeper. If you love these videos as much as I do bringing them to you, and you'd like to support the channel, feel free to subscribe, hit a like button, or reach out and ask a question. If you've got any suggestions or you'd like to see certain videos, let me know in the comments, and I'll see you on the next one.